Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, November 30th, 2015. This is the final trading day of the month of November. I hope everybody had a nice Thanksgiving holiday. Let's get into the charts here. We're going to start off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see that the futures were lower around 3 o'clock in the morning, but really took off to the upside. Right now, the futures are trading higher by $3.50 to $20.93.5 per contract. So, again, futures are positive now ahead of the opening bell, but they were down decently around 3 o'clock in the morning. You can see the market put that little bit of a low in there, and then they've really taken off to the upside. So we'll see how this market plays out today. But nonetheless, futures right now at this point in time, they are positive by a little over 3 points. So we'll see how this plays out. We'll see what it gives us. Today is probably going to be what we call a little bit of a holiday hangover, lighter volume trading day on a Monday. People will start to sort things out, and we'll see how it goes. But generally, that's what you expect the day after a holiday. All right, let's take a look at a couple stocks in the news. First one we're going to start off with is VALE, which is VALE. And you're going to see this stock is getting hit a little bit today. Also, BHP Billiton in company is getting hit a little as well. The stock closed on BHP at around $26.98. It is now trading at $25.85. Did trade almost down to the 25 level earlier. It looks like they have a river in Brazil that is poisoned by arsenic. So, again, you can read more about the news there. But looks like there'll be a lawsuit coming into play. And looks like the mines over there are owned by VALE and BHP Billiton. So, again, both of those stocks are starting the day a little bit lower. And I suppose a stronger dollar, which we are seeing right now, also can have a little bit of an effect on all of the metals and mining names. So keep that on the radar for later today. But right now, if you take a look at BHP, we'll see that is starting the day lower. Let's take a look at Fitbit. I think there is an upgrade there. And stock is trading at $28.98. Closed at $27.85. I'm not sure if we can make too much out of it. There looks to be a fair amount of resistance around the gap window on Fitbit, and that's going to be around 31.80 and then also around 32.50. So I'm not sure we're going to see price go up to those levels, but they'll be on our radar today. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, and you'll see everything that we are doing there. Let's take a look at IHG, which is International Hotel Group. And what you're going to see here is that the stock is trading higher, not on a lot of volume, but it looks like there is some news that a Chinese group is going to come out and make an offer for this company. So right now the stock's trading at $38.71, closed at $37.57. So we'll watch this one today. We'll see how it plays out. Lululemon is in the news, ticker symbol LULU. Stock is trading at $50.15, closed at $52.50. So that's a pretty good little dip there for Lululemon. Looks like the stock was downgraded. There's not much I'm going to do here as far as levels go. I am seeing some support around 46.5 if it does trade down there. So we'll be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see how it plays out. Let's take a look at TEVA, TEVA. Right now the stock is trading at 62.03, closed at 63.47. Looks like they came out with they're going to do a share offering to raise some capital. Again, I'm not sure we can make too much out of this. If it does fall later by some chance, ton of support around the 57.50 level. That's what I'm seeing at least right now. So we'll see how it plays out. Again, it is a Monday, a little bit of a slower trading day. So we got to take this with a grain of salt. We'll see how this market shakes itself out once the opening bell rings today. All right, a couple of other things real quick. Gold market is trading up $1.30 right now. If you take a look at the GLD, what you're going to see here is that you're sitting at 101.31. Nothing great for gold. As long as the dollar remains strong, gold should remain under some pressure, but it is trying to form some kind of a bottom, but the pattern is not good enough yet. Let's take a look at crude oil. Crude oil is trading up 51 cents today to, I believe, $42.21 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to trade oil, you'll see this is trading at $13.11, closed at $13.03. So we're not going to make too much out of either. Later this week, there will be an OPEC meeting. I believe that is going to be on Friday. So we'll see what comes out of that. But either way you slice it or dice it, Right now, oil is trading up about 50 cents. I'm not sure you're going to see much more of a run in oil, but either way, it is higher before the opening bell. So, again, if you want to trade these stocks and others, please come over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You can trade right alongside of us, see everything that we're doing, and we'll coach you right through. And again, this has been a very, very volatile couple of weeks, but the market for the most part remains somewhat choppy and sideways. And if you take a look at the futures this morning, they are trading higher by $3.75. So again, big move off the lows, but we'll see how this plays out. It is a Monday, a little bit of a holiday hangover from the Thanksgiving Day weekend, but nonetheless, some action out here this morning before the opening bell. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.